Good morning all, welcome back to the Abarth 695 70th Anniversario. One of the things I love about this car is that it's so nimble and small that you can just throw it anywhere, and the gaps are, well, you're unfazed really by most of the gap. And the Monza sounds so good, absolutely awesome. What a beautiful drive, first thing Sunday morning, to get this little beast out. Up through the twisties as we join the M40, where we're going to meet up with the Abarth Club Hertfordshire guys. So we've arrived at the first spot, and we've got the Abarth Club Hertfordshire guys here. And as you can see, we've got the bees here, we've got Nico, we've got Dan, we've got Roy. Everybody here getting their Starbucks coffee in. I'm filming today's vlog on the GoPro Hero 8. Main reason is I forgot to charge the camera after yesterday's Sharnbrook meet, but we got the 695 70th Anniversario here looking sick. A few people said to me yesterday I need to do the wing up, and I think I should. I really probably should turn the wing up to full 60 degrees. So what this event is, so for those of you who aren't familiar, I do a lot of stuff with Roadster. I really like the app. I'm a big fan of what they do. But Abarth UK have teamed up with Roadster app to do a kind of COVID drive. And so far they've raised 9,000 euros, which is amazing. And it's all been driven from people like us who have been creating drives and going on, I guess, cruises, but donating, and it all goes to a good cause. So this is another one of those. So we're going from here, Starbucks in Hertfordshire. We're then going to meet up with the guys from Abarth Essex, and we're heading up towards Colchester. But I need to knock my Red Bull down because well, I was up late last night. Right, we're off. Next stop. Let's do this. Oh. Okay, here we go. Sport mode, active. Let's do this. We've got Dan who messed up. Oh, brilliant. How many times have you done that where you take a wrong turn? I know I have, so it was good chance for me to get everybody turning around. Oh, these cars are so much fun. They are so much fun. All right, we've made it to meet the guys from Abarth Club Essex. So how much fun was that? That was a wicked convoy, man. Proper reminded me of the original videos that I used to do. This thing has been superb. So much fun, so much fun. This is your typical Abarth owner right here. Bags of character, posing on
Mexican Danielson.
Mate, that's skill right there. Skill right there. How's the drive down, man?
Beautiful.
It's good, wasn't it?
It was relaxing. It was good.
Here we go.
Would you like to drive down here?
We got Team Abarth over here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lenora in the house.
How was it? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun.
Lots of noise, isn't it? Lots of noise on these cars. But really good fun. Where's the main man? Where's Dan? Dan, well organised, my friend. Keeping everyone together is always a challenge on these things.
It's a big challenge. There's a lot of us.
Yeah.
Luckily, we obviously use postcodes.
Yeah. Thank God for Google Maps and stuff.
Yeah, when it works.
Yeah.
Waze or whichever one.
Yeah, no, it's been good. So we're at stop 2, right?
Stop to Highlands Park.
Yeah.
Meeting up with the Essex gang.
Yeah.
So there's about 30 of us now.
Yeah.
Just under, I think. Keeping it strictly, you know, COVID.
That's it. Keeping our distance.
Legal. Yep.
Yeah. We're within distance.
Yep.
Although, yeah, outside transmission is
Outside, fine.
Yeah.
Weather's fantastic.
Yeah, exactly. No,
Rain
it's
was
good.
good.
And we've been very fortunate with the weather again. It's a really nice day.
Yeah,
I mean, you're loving it in the 595C, aren't you?
Yeah, roof off.
Yeah.
Wind blowing everywhere. Brilliant.
Amazing, mate.
Cap on just in case.
Yeah.
You know, bad hair day.
That. Let me just quickly give you a sneak peek of this, because this is stunning, isn't it? Rivali 695. Honestly, one of the nicest Abarths. I really love it. I mean, the seats, look at the seats. The kind of Reva inspired blue seats just work so well on this, and then the carbon fibre. And this as well. Genuinely such an elegant car. So nice. So nice. And then of course we've got all of the guys from Abarth Clubs Essex over here. And yeah, overall just nice. People enjoying it. Out enjoying the sunshine. What more can you want from a Sunday morning? Oh, look who it is. Excuse me. BA, sir. Car's too loud for the road. Thank you. What exhaust is on that, Roy?
So I'm running custom made straight through pipe.
Yeah.
It's got Novatec rear box. Well, not a box. And it's got one of Benno's sports cats. And it spools up. That sports cat is phenomenal.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's brilliant.
HRE Sport Cat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal.
Mate, your car is always gleaming. Every time I see it, it's always gleaming.
Thank you. You want to have a look inside, Steph?
Well, if you're offering,
Yeah,
absolutely. We'll have a little gander.
See the pedals.
Look at this. It is spotless. Absolutely spotless. Wow. Oh, that CAE shifter's epic. Yeah, Roy has definitely invested a lot into this car. His pride and joy. And it does sound the nuts. There's the noisemaker down there. Rear seat. There's even a kind of Abarth 505 comp inspired. So is that fire extinguisher? Black and yellow Abarth mats. The attention to detail on this is just mental. Absolutely mental. So cool. And you've all seen this, but just another quick glimpse at the engine bay. I mean, it's a subtle detail. Look, Roy's even got he's got an Italian flag under here. It's just mad. Bit of Lego. Can't go wrong with a bit of Lego. Very cool. Very out there, this car. Who's going to win the Abarth, mate?
If I hadn't Abarth, give away.
Are we giving one away?
Giving mine away, yeah, by all means. You can take the expense from me, that's fine.
Right, we've just given out some hats to everybody who donated to the Roadster Drive and Help cause. I like these Nankangs. They kind of give it that proper race car look. Look at this interior on that. Very cool. Very similar to the Romeo Ferrari's edition car filmed in Marbella, the orange and black theme. But again, open exposed CAE shifter, small wheel. Very cool. And this. Interestingly enough, a lot of people now seeing the 695 70th in the flesh are really starting to warm to it. I think I was speaking to Dan earlier on, president of Abarth Club Hertfordshire, and he was saying that the more you look at it in the flesh, the better it looks, and also when it's on the move as well. And I agree. The Monza green is just lovely as well. When you hit it in the sun, it does look so nice. So nice. If you wanted to buy the this for your car, for example, I think this is about £2.5 grand. It's a lot of money just for the spoiler and the wheel extent. There's the side skirt extensions as well. They're around about 1,200 quid, I think. So for any Series 3 or 4 owners who are trying to replicate the 695 70th, it's going to cost you quite a bit. You might as well just go and buy one, if I'm honest. But yeah, no, I'm a fan of this. So I think it's time now we go to our final destination, which I think is called the Blue Egg. So I'm quite far away from home. So when we wrap up, I'm gonna have a good 2.5 hour drive home, but it's all for a good cause, and it's just an opportunity to get this out on a nice sunny Sunday morning. We're gearing up to go. Where's the key? There we are. There we go. Look at that. Solid. Oh, tasty. Tasty. And then we've got ours Monza Sport exhaust on. Give it a rev. Nice. You cannot beat the Monza. Monza sound. Well, you can beat the Monza if you modify the hell out of your car, but I can't do that, which is a shame. Just spin this thing around. Look at that. That is so nice. What a car. Right, next stop, the Blue Egg, I think. There was someone who mentioned in my comment section in one of my last videos that in the States they don't get this, and I feel really, it's such a shame that Abarth in the US held back so much on all of these cool models, because you know, things like 695 70th Anniversario, you just don't get anything like that in the States, which is a real shame. And I guess that's mainly dependent on, I guess, sales and the people who buy these out there, but I'm sure there's a big enough market to sell some limited edition models. But yeah, sorry for the US viewers, you're gonna have to make do with my vlogs in the short term, but I hope you guys are enjoying the Abarth content again. Looks like we've made it to our final destination as everyone's parking up, and hopefully I can get some form of coffee in there. It's looking cool though. What happened? Did you take a scenic route?
We were following somebody, and then he suddenly decided to do a U-turn, so we suddenly realised that we're about 15 minutes late.
Amazing. Yeah? And the rest of the crew are arriving. It's at the more scenic route. The Asbo machine is here. There he is. Vic, in a
That is the reason we don't get invited anymore.
I know, do you know what I mean?
I love it, I love it.
It sounds great though, doesn't it? Amazing. Everyone pulling in as we congregate the final crew. There we are, and last car, but not least, as everybody has made it. Oh, ciao.
My friend Roy is still cleaning the car.
Yeah, but he loves keeping his car clean. Yeah, but it looks good though, man. It's
Yeah, I know.
But he loves a clean car, mate.
Yeah.
You should, if mate, yours still looks pretty good. I like how you're color coded as well. Always.
Which one?
You and your car, look.
Ah, in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, always, man.
Always, mate.
Thinking all the time.
Yeah. So, funny story. We attempted to come to this place because there might be some place to have some coffee. Unfortunately, not. Unfortunately, it's closed on Sunday, so we kind of failed. So we've got everybody lined up here at the Blue Egg, and unfortunately, there's no coffee. That's all right. We've had a really good drive down. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. A massive shout out to obviously Roadster, Abarth UK, Abarth Club Hertfordshire and Abarth Club Essex for setting all of this up. Really, really proud to be a part of this, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Comments are always welcome, and make sure to subscribe for plenty more content to come. See you later, guys. Bye bye.